Good morning, dude. Oops. Good morning, YouTube. We kind of took the whole day off yesterday. It was awesome. After 4 days of continuous rain, literally this van was totally fogged up inside, especially the front end. So I did a little bit of running around in the morning, and I got back here. It was still light out, and I said, screw it. So we lied around here. I actually put 12 hours on my CPAP machine. Anyways, we're gonna get up because it's not raining, and now I can put everything up on the roof. I love my heater. It's noisy. I don't mind. We were hovering at 15, 16, I guess, maybe 17. We'll say 16 degrees all night long, so very bearable. Basically, all I sleep on is a fold-up day bed, and I use my Mexican blanket. But today we're gonna get busy. We're gonna get this place ready. I might be on the road tonight or for sure tomorrow. This little stinker. Hey, little stinker. You need a haircut. Not sure if I want to yet, but we will have to trim up his face. He just wants to go outside. He wouldn't go outside yesterday. Yes, that was you. It really has been really wet and a chilly, bone-chilling thing there, so I didn't want to do too much. But we're gonna go do our morning thing, grab our coffees, and take the dog for a walkabout. So one of my routines in the morning is fill up the coffee machine. Okay, so we started off the morning with the dog walk, a little breakfast, you know, for our Rochers. Having my morning coffee. Charging up with my Energy QC battery charger. Today is a bit brisk out, so I'm just taking my time, so I figured I'd do some editing. Let the day have a chance to warm up another degree or two before I start climbing up on the roof of the van. Brent's getting happy feet. I'll do a bit of a shout out to my good buddy Jeff. He's getting close to getting his license, eh? It's just that he's stuck driving at night, which kind of sucks for us old people. But you know what? I have faith that he's going to do it. I have faith that he's got a good teacher. And I have faith that he's going to be back on the road soon. Right?
Yeah.
That's my buddy Alman. He's like the big techie guy here, like computer, because so much computer stuff in cars now, so.
Yeah, that's Rapture Customs. Those are the guys that put my wrap on my van, my stripes, and my signs, and
made me up my cool looking new stickers that I have. Right now we're sitting way up high. What I'm doing is I'm securing this box which holds my propane tank. It was sliding all over the place under the cargo net. So we're just using zap straps. I'm gonna use a bunch of them. Hold it in place, make it look cool. My butt is killing me. I'm sitting on a propane tank. But check this out. It's sturdy, that's not going anywhere. Good, that's done. Yeah. It's easier for me to borrow pliers than for me to dig mine out and create a bigger mess. So we just trucked in the shop, snipped those plastic tabs off, and we can load that propane tank up. And don't waste a trip. If you're going up, take something with you. The diesel heater is going up into the box. Hey? Love it. These diesel heaters should fit right there. This is confusing me. These plates are the same on both. So I tried doing it all the different ways. It's not gonna fit. So I'm gonna take the Blue Eddy box out, face it down, and hopefully it'll sit on top of that bottom silver thing that used to be there. I got a number of comments about my box being a bad idea. Here's the good idea about the bad idea. This is known as a luggage rack. I wanted to appear as a luggage up top. The box cost me $10 whole in a little bit of time. And it is covered. I don't know how waterproof the vinyl is, but it's covered. And it should last me maybe 6 months to a year. And then I go spend another $10. So, you know, sometimes it's about aesthetics. That's all I need to say. I want to look good, right? That's why I drive old buses and old Volkswagens. Because they look good. I could be driving one of these. They have the pop top, but, you know, what do I need a pop top for? Because really, you can't camp downtown with your pop top up. I'm really liking the new Mitsubishis and those ones. He has a tent up top and can sleep inside. But this is my new dream vehicle. My plan this year is to use the Volkswagen. I'll be heading off the island around the end of April. And we're heading north to Prince Rupert for May. My birthday's on the 9th, and my niece is getting married on the 20th, so I'll be in Prince Rupert for 2 weeks. I'm going to do a loop around northern BC, down through northern Alberta, and head straight south to the border, and then I'm coming home. As I go home, I'm going to stop in and see the JDM dudes down in Vancouver, and I'm going to put this Volkswagen up for sale, I think, and buy one of those. Just more or less for reliability and comfort. Yeah, I think that's the route we're going to take. So it's going to look something like this. I'm going to have to go invest in some bungee and be able to strap them to, you know, either the side of the cabinet or this cabinet or something. So that way the water won't jug around, and it gives me standing room space up here when I climb up to grab stuff. So before we get the wire mesh going up there, because I have to drive, we'll take the little boy for a little meander. He's been barking at me nicely. Dad, can I come outside too? Let's go for a walk, bud. It's funny, eh? He cries and cries and cries to get outside, and what does he want to do? Go inside. Hey, monkey. Hey, my little monkey. Yeah, good boy. He still wants to reach past his boundaries, as we say. You know, he's like me, the happy wanderer. And I'd love to let him, but he just doesn't know how to come home. So I put this thing back together. I was sitting in the lunchroom and the boys were telling me, it smells like urine. And I'm like, yeah, whatever. Now I figure out why. This baby was melting. And it was over there too. I have some extra pieces. I'm really hoping I have one full one left. If not, I guess we have to live with a hole in our floor. Let's go digging. None of them were full. That sucks. I'm pretty sure we can live with it. It's mostly a summer floor, but I'm gonna have to go get some more. Might as well buy another pack, right? They're cheap. Sometimes just setting up camera shots are tough. Anyways, what I'm doing is packing everything into my freezer, my fridge. Because yeah, finally hitting the road here. And I'd love to go tonight. Being tiny means being organized, and you have to like use utilize every little space in here. So the fridge is all organized. The dude's getting anxious. I know. I just have a little bit more to clean up around here. dirty clothes, CPAP machine, we're charging the Blue Eddy, and just putting things away. So things are looking good for the road trip tonight. Heck, I even got the nose emblem back on. It's 1 o'clock, a little after, and yeah, we gotta put that netting back up top, so I'm getting excited. I'm about to attempt to put the netting up here, but I'm not gonna leave my camera out, it's wet. So, you know, I'll show you before, okay, and after. Well, it's time. It's time to hit the road. We're heading to ... Peace, love, and granola. Pet your puppies. And we'll see you in the next video. We're out of here.